Hello guys, Khalida Vids here, and today we're going to review the TaoTronics Active Noise Cancelling ANC wireless stereo headphones. I thank TaoTronics for sending me this product and I'm going to review it. You just slide that out and open it. First thing we get is a carrying case. It seems quite hard, very durable. It's got a nice rigid material. And now let's get into it. Okay, so all the accessories are in the carrying case here. We've got a nice some velvet kind of packing thing. I guess this is where the cables are. Let's lay that flat. Okay, so inside we have our aux cable. We've got our charging cable, aux cable, and we've got this little attachment. This is some like studio thing, so I guess you could use these in the studio for any of you professional or producers or DJs or any of that. Let's look at the instruction manual. I've got to say, I really like the packaging. It's very easy to open. It's very, just so satisfying. Okay, just slide this out. Okay, we've got our manual or our user guide. Okay, plug them, throw them to the side. We've got an extended 18 months warranty card from TaoTronics. I like that. And it's got his phone number and the support email number. Monday to Friday. Like that. Plug it, file it to the side. And last but not least, we finally have the headphones, what we've all been waiting for. So in the hand, it feels great. It feels great in the hand. Got a very nice cushiony headband. It's got a nice leather. It's got a nice swivel hook design. It passes the flexibility test. That's great. These seem like a really durable set of headphones. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick sound test and I'll get back to you. Oh yeah, so here's the off button on with the middle Bluetooth and active noise cancellation. Here we have our aux port, and here we have our volume buttons and play, pause, skip tracks, and so forth. Here we have our charging port, micro USB. Great, and I'll see the battery life, and I'll get back to you. Okay, just give me a second, guys. And we're back. Okay, guys, I've just reviewed these TaoTronics Bluetooth headphones, and I have to say these are a major go. The bass on this is deep, it's clear, and it doesn't drown out from mids and highs, which are also very exceptional. Because the high, like the bass, like it feels like a good thump to the head. It's not too overpowered because you can hear the vocals. Yeah, you hear the vocals very clearly. And with the sound for mids, is especially like for mids. I just love the way it just kind of like rings on your head, you know what I mean? They're very comfortable to wear. I could wear these for hours. They're very lightweight. These are like, I know, max is like 150 grams, maybe 200. And yeah, so please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next video. One more thing. This is the they also have an adjustable headband. So yeah, so it can fit a range of different head sizes. I thank you again, and peace. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. bye.